Welcome to our channel. If you want to create Siri shortcuts for Stripe payment or business operations, follow these step-by-step instructions to automate tasks using voice commands. Step 1. Understand that Stripe is a payment processing platform and doesn't have a native Siri Shortcuts app. However, you can create custom shortcuts using the Shortcuts app if Stripe offers URL schemes or API access. Step 2. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store. Step 3. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Step 4. Search for and add the Open App action if you simply want to open the Stripe mobile app or Stripe dashboard quickly with a voice command. Step 5. For more advanced functions, you'll need to use URL actions to access specific Stripe dashboard pages through your web browser. Step 6. Add a URL action and enter the Stripe dashboard URL, such as dashboard.stripe.com/payments or other specific sections you frequently access. Step 7. Add an Open URLs action after the URL action to automatically open the page in your default browser. Step 8. Tap on the shortcut name at the top to rename it to something memorable like Check Stripe Payments or Open Stripe Dashboard. Step 9. Tap Add to Siri to record a custom phrase you'll use to trigger this shortcut, such as, "Hey Siri, check my payments." Step 10. Test your new shortcut by asking Siri to run it and verify that it opens the correct Stripe page or performs the intended action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.